So far, we've looked at HTML and CSS, and we've reached a certain state where we are good with HTML and CSS. Now it's time for us to jump into JavaScript. So in this video, we're going to look at a brief overview of what's ahead in the remainder of this course and what we're going to learn and what our outcome for that learning is going to be like. So I want to show you this image again. We looked at this in the very beginning. So here you see that there are two kinds of websites. One is a static website, another is a dynamic website. And a static website primarily contains of HTML and CSS and JavaScript. And dynamic websites contain a front end and a back end. And the front end contains the same static website part, and then the back end contains the database server and application. You don't need to know all the details about all of these things. I'm just trying to reinforce what we've already looked at. And we saw that HTML and CSS and JavaScript are three components of what a web page can be. And HTML focuses on the content and CSS focuses on the presentation of that content, how it appears and stuff like that. And then JavaScript is the behavior aspect of the website. And in the remainder of this course, this is what we're going to look at. So what's ahead? We're going to start off with looking at what JavaScript is, what its applications are, and we're going to learn how to code in JavaScript. We're going to do that step by step. And we're also going to look at how to integrate JavaScript into a static website. So the requirements for the remainder of this course is very simple. You just need to have an internet-enabled device. It can either be a smartphone or a computer. There are no problems with doing this on a smartphone. And also, of course, you need to know how to read and write English because most of programming is done in English. And when you're done with learning what we have to learn in the remainder of this course, you'll be able to write complex programs using JavaScript, which is a modern programming language. So there are a lot of benefits to learning JavaScript, and we'll be able to code complex behaviors in static websites. And most importantly, actually this is the most important reason why you should be excited for this course, is that once we learn this, we'll know all the basics necessary for us to jump into more advanced programming. So with what we're learning, you'll be prepared to learn more advanced concepts, which you can use to build mobile apps like Android or iOS apps, or you can also build apps like Facebook or Twitter, all of this using some advanced JavaScript libraries. So what we're going to learn in this course is basics, but only when you learn the basics, you'll be able to learn those advanced JavaScript libraries. So if you focus well on what I'm about to teach, you'll be prepared to learn all those advanced JavaScript libraries. And those are very exciting to learn because there's so many applications that you can build using that. So I hope you're excited to learn JavaScript. It's a very fun language. It's very exciting. It's a lot of possibilities that it opens up. And it's also very simple. So you should be excited to learn this. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also press the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.